without hope, without light, till from heaven you came down. There was mercy in your eyes to fulfill the law and prophets. To a virgin came the word, from a throne of endless glory to a cradle in the dirt. Praise the Father, praise the Son, praise.
Pada hari ini, sebenarnya kami khususnya telah kami akan kesalahan kami.
God of glory, majesty, praise forever to the King of Kings. Praise forever to the King of Kings.